These fraction ones, we did this in class yesterday, are the flip ones. Okay, so anytime you see the fraction, automatically think flip and multiply. Because it's really keep, switch, flip like we do when we're dividing fractions. So it's this flip part. We're gonna flip the fraction over, 2 over 1, and I'm gonna multiply, which means I'm gonna multiply by 2 over 1 on that side. When I do that 1 over 2 and 2 over 1, if I do that multiplication, I get 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 1 is 2, which equals 1. Just like over here when I did my division and it equaled 1, I don't have to write the 1, so that just cancels out because that equals 1. And I bring down the m equals 11 times 2 over 1. I can write 11 over 1 times 2 over 1, which is 22 over 1. I don't have to write the over 1, so I just bring down the 22. Next one, this is tricky because it has a negative right here, but we're gonna solve it the same way. We just have to pay attention to our negative. So minus 5 and minus 5. 5 minus 5 is 0, I cancel that out. I get x equals negative 12 minus 5. I can do one of two things here. I can do negative 12 minus 5 like that, and because it's subtraction, subtract equals keep, change, change, because it's a negative. So if I do keep, change, change here, that's negative 12 plus negative 5, which is really negative 17. I can also look over here because it's a negative and a negative. I'm just gonna bring it down and add it together. Keep, change, change like that. So that's negative 17. Okay, next one, x minus 9 equals negative 7. Variables on this side, so I start over here. The opposite of subtraction is addition. Adding 9, negative 9 and positive 9 is 0. So I get x equals negative 7 plus 9. I have more positives than negatives, okay? I have 2 more positives than negatives, so my answer is positive 2.